And when you start earning in dollars, talagang mayroon talagang surplus diyan. And we want instant gratification. Bilhin natin ito, bili tayo ng ganyan, punta tayo sa ganito, travel tayo sa ganyan. And I can't blame you. Kahit ako naman, meron akong ganun na craving. And thankfully, kami ng wife ko, medyo align kami dun sa tinatawag nating money blueprint. Ano ba yung money blueprint? And money blueprint is basically your blueprint or your decision making about money. Hindi siya yung amount ng money na meron ka. Lagi ko yung sinasabi, if you're a new couple, especially new couples dyan, no? Tandaan nyo that you need to be aligned ano yung money blueprint nyo. If your money blueprint is like, if meron kayong pera, gagastos nyo ba? Bibili nyo ba ng bahay? Bibilhin nyo ba ng kotse? Or i-invest nyo ba? I-start nyo ba ng business? Irregardless kung ano yung money blueprint nyo, dapat align kayo dyan. Kasi yung away nagsisimula sa, yung money blueprint ng misis ko is gastos, yung money blueprint naman ng husband is save and invest. Kami naman ng misis, yung money blueprint talaga namin is save and invest. Ever since we understand the truth about delayed gratification. Kahit na meron kaming pambili ng sasakyan, we did not buy a car. Instead, we open a business. Kahit meron kaming pambili ng bahay, we did not buy a house. Instead, we invest on learning new skills. I understand that concept. Kaya sa akin, kapag nakaka-receive ako ngayon ng pera, iniisip ko, saan ko ba siya ilalagay para kahit mawalan man ako ng trabaho ngayon, I can still sustain the life and the lifestyle na meron kami.